remembrance of yourself. You have to remember only one thing about yourself. Actually, every one of us has a limit, a speed limit to work. We can't do every work at very high speed or at a very high rate. We have speed limit. When you work at a moderate speed, then you are always get connected to yourself. If you work at moderate speed, either too fast or too slow, drifts you from yourself. To be connected, to get connected with yourself, you must have to maintain your speed of doing work. Every one of us has different energy levels and different speed of doing work. Everyone is not either Everyone is not too fast or too slow. He has his own way of doing work. If you are doing work, if you are busy in work and you maintain your speed in such a way that you remember your true self, you are connected with true self, you are just getting a detachment with this physical body. You realize that there is something more, something with you, within you. That is your true self, that is your real self, that is your I, true I, that's me. If you keep this me, this real I, this true self, remember regularly in every work, then you are in meditation. You are nothing to do in meditation, just keeping eyes closed and sitting for 4 to 5 hours. That is not required. You just enjoy meditation. You can mix it. You can make it a part of your daily routine as your job, as your household work. You can just make it a part of daily routine. No need to wait for more 10 years that after 10 years I will start meditation. You won't never start. If you don't start today, and now you will never start. It must be started with immediate effect. It is being started, but you are forgetting, you don't remember yourself, then you are going to negative side, you are getting exhausted after every work. But if you are with your true self, with your real self, and you just remember yourself doing every work while watching mobile, watching TV, walking, running, doing exercise, kitchen work, household work, your job, teaching, working with computer, working with laptop, driving. There is always a speed limit for vehicles. Our this body is just like a vehicle, a car. You must take care of it. You must not drive it too fast. It must be driven on a moderate speed. if you drive it at moderate speed or as per capacity of your car. As per capacity of its engine. Every car has an engine and it has power. You can't go beyond that limit, beyond that speed. You just can't move your car like a train or an aeroplane. It has some limits. Train has some limits, and even aeroplane has some limits. Speed of a bullet is much more maximum than any vehicle. So, would you like to copy a bullet speed? No. In the same way, you must detect your working speed. Your working speed is up to that limit where your body is working and you are watching it. You are attached with your true self. That is the speed. And this is meditation. This is all meditation, to be with you, to be with yourself, to be with your true self, because that true self, that real I is a part of God. If you remember your true self, if you are with your true self, you are with God. Then which meditation is greater than to be with God? What we are in search of God, and that is within you, your true self, that real I. Then to be with Him is to be with God. Then which more meditation are you searching for? This is the meditation. You can start it immediately, even now. Everybody can start. Even a student, he can also start doing his studies. At which speed? The speed till he remembers his true self. You must always know that your body is working and you are with your true self, that is knowing what this body is working. That is meditation. You need not doing anything else. You need not sitting for hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, just taking a rosary or some beads in your hand, and then you will start meditation after 10 years, after 15 years. Then you won't start meditation. Then you would start medicine. You will start hospitals. You will start doctors. This physical body of yours will not be always as it is today. You are healthy, you are strong, you have energy today. After 10 years, after 15 years, the situation will be different. You won't be so strong as you are today. Then, but you are waiting for. Enjoy meditation. Take it, make it a part of your daily routine. Sleeping, eating, taking bath, walking, going to exercises, kitchen work, going to shop, going to your company, driving. Every work you do during the day till you go to bed, and even when you sleep, you must know that this body of you is lying on the bed, on the mattress, and your true self is watching it. He is not sleeping. He is always awakened. He never sleeps. He is present there in dreams. So, make and you say balance, make a balance of your speed. Just do the work at the speed at which you can work, keeping both in coordination, your physical body and your real self. When you are talking to someone, your physical body, you are speaking, you are discussing, whatever you are talking, but there is a point of knowingness. There is somebody within you who is knowing that you are talking, that is the limit. You are working, you are playing, you are running, keeping that true self with you. It must know that you are running, you are eating. That's all. You need not to force or stress or doing some extra attempt or efforts for meditation. You need not to do any extra effort, any extra attempts, any extra practice for meditation. Whatever, whichever work you are doing, that is meditation. If you attach your true self with it, if you make a point of sense, a point of consciousness, a point of knowingness within you, just make a point only, just make a knowingness that you are doing that work. That is meditation. You need not to do anything more. You do your work, enjoy your work, whatever you do, playing, eating, watching TV, watching cinema, watching mobile, busy with mobile, busy with laptop, and busy with driving, household work, your job, anything else, washing clothes, any work which you are doing, that can be meditation. If you are doing it with within limits, keeping or attaching your true self with it. You are with your true self. Remember, there are two. There are the function of body and function of your true self. All that you will have to do. This is meditation. No extra work for meditation, no extra energy for meditation, no keeping awake at nights or during the day, long sittings or doing other things. That may be the part of meditation, but that is not only the meditation. In your busy routine, in your busy daily life, in your daily work, doing your work, be busy with your work, whatever you do, nothing special. If you are awakened, if you know that what you are doing, you can only do that if you maintain a speed, then you will be able to do that, and that is meditation. Nothing else to do with the meditation, nothing else to do, nothing else special to do with the meditation. Meditation is not special. Every work you are doing is meditation. But if you attach yourself with it, you know, you watch, you aware what you are doing, what you are speaking, what you are eating, what you are drinking, what you are saying. That is meditation. So start it from today. Just make a remembrance of yourself and you are in meditation. That's all.